Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're learning 10 useful English words. Let's start. Number 1, clear. Clear. واضح. It means easy to understand. For example, the explanation is clear. 2, practice. Practice. تمرین کردن. It means to do something again and again to get better. For example, I practice English words every day. 3, comfortable. راحت. It means feeling relaxed and not stressed. For example, I feel comfortable speaking English. Or learn. یاد گرفتن. It means to get new knowledge or skills. For example, I learn new words every day. And 5, common. متداول رایج. It means happening often or known by many people. For example, this is a common mistake. 6, simple. ساده. It means easy to understand or do. For example, the question is simple. 7, help. کمک کردن. It means make something easier for someone or somebody. For example, this video helps beginners. And 8, different. متفاوت. It means not the same. For example, this idea is different. 9, important. مهم. It means having a lot of value. For example, practice is really important. And the last one, 10, useful. مفید. It means helping you do something. For example, this tip is useful. Great job. Save this video and practice these words every day. Thanks for watching. Bye.